Good evening everyone, I am Justin Paul H. Dialect from PS Info 1A. So we are the Smart Table prototype. So here we are demonstrating our finalized prototype. So first step is the login page. So as you can see, in order for you to log in, you will need your school ID and password. So if you don't have any account yet, you can just sign up in here. So you have to click this. In here, you must fill up the full name, email, choose if you are a student or a professor, then your school ID, password, then confirmation of password. So since I already have an account, I will just log in. So in here, I'll just log in. Select. There you go. So now I'll be redirected to the dashboard layout. So as a student, this will pop up for me. So only the join class, the join meeting, and the delete class. So if I am joining a new subject or a class, I will first need the code. So for the professor's dashboard, this will show up. The create class, the join meeting, the edit class, delete class, and the class code. So this is what the students needs, the code. So in order for me to join, I'll need that code. And since I already had the code and it's already in here, so I will just join the meeting. So in here, we are at the attendance checker. So when applied in the real life, our smart table has a scanner below the table. So in there, you will just have to scan your school ID. Then once you scan it, you will be automatically directed to the meeting. So if you don't have the school ID or you didn't bring your school ID, you can just use the manual. You will just have to type your school ID again and then the password. And you'll be directed to the meeting now. Now I am at the meeting, so this will pop up as a student. So it has 4 functions: the notepad, the raise hand button, and the lessons, which is this one. All of these works actually. As you can see, for the lessons, you can select which lessons are you on so that you can go back. Now raise hand. So since this doesn't work, it doesn't show that you are raising your hand, but in the monitor it will show that you are raising your hand. Now the notepad, so it has 3 functions: sketch, code, and typing. So this also works actually. As you can see, code also works, the typing also works. So for the professor layout, I will also show you the UI for the professors. So it has the same functions for the professors. It has start meeting and the control room. So in here, you can start a meeting. So it will be started and the students will be directed to this meeting. Then you have the control room. So in here, it will pop up all the students who is inside the meeting. Alright, let me try it. As you can see, there is once you press this, the students UI will pop up here so that the teachers can monitor what is the student doing. So that is all for our demonstration, and I hope that you understand the purpose of all the functions that we have made. And thank you and goodbye.